Hello everyone, welcome to Lab 5. Now we are going to resume with our installation. So after you're done with with Lab 4 basically, you should have one, two, three, four, five files in addition to let me add this actually to downloads and call it commands. In addition to the notepad that we copied before, right? So around 6 files in the downloads folder. Let me start with installing Visual C++. Now we have two versions. How to tell them apart? It's basically the size only. By looking, because they both have the same name, you just need to run them in order. So I'll install this first, 2012. That's done. I'll install 2013. That's done. Let us wait actually for, I'm not sure .NET is taking too long. Why? It's better to install .NET, but I can skip it for now. Let me start with the Unified Communication setup. So just double click on it. Of course, updates are being also downloaded at the same time, so it's making everything slower. Might actually boost the RAM for this VM later on. Okay, next. I have read, install. Let us wait for the installation to be complete. So this is essentially, again, Lab 5, copying and installing. Of course, in copying, first we created a shared folder inside the virtual machine, and then we access the shared folder from within the host in this step, and we copied the file. You can see we are copying the files from here to there. For now, because I'm just downloading everything on the same VM, I don't need to do these steps. I missed actually this file, which is the rewrite module. I'm not sure how did I miss it. Let us go and try to download it again. If we go back to prerequisites, exchange prerequisites, I believe it's around here in the top section, .NET. Ah, this one also is required for our web server. This you have to scroll all the way down. Yes, English 64. Download. Okay, perfect. So this is how it should look like in your downloads folder, actually. Okay, let's install the rewrite module for our web server. And of course, all of these programs are explained in the booklet. Okay, what each and every executable is doing and how is it contributing into the overall running and installation of Exchange is explained in the booklet. I'll not do the explanation here. There is no need. And then we are going to finally finish our installation with .NET Framework. Of course, I just double click on it. It might take some time, but that is essentially it for the Lab 5. All you need to do is run the executables one by one, make sure everything is installed. And of course, in the next lab, we are going to actually mount the ISO file. And let me just click on install, mount the ISO file for Exchange. And from within it, we are going to execute the commands. Of course, even we can do it now. We can run these two commands because, or let's run all 5 commands at the same time, no problem. Let's just wait for .NET Framework to be done. I believe I can actually stop the recording here. This is it actually for Lab 5. See you in the next lab.